In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord when it's stuck on a gray screen or seems to be infinitely loading. This is an issue that many users face from time to time, and while it can be frustrating, we're here to help you navigate through it with a few straightforward solutions. Firstly, you'll want to fully close Discord. Sometimes the application doesn't close entirely, so let's make sure we do that properly. Start by right-clicking on the Discord icon in your system tray at the bottom right of your screen. From there, select Quit Discord. But don't stop here, we want to make sure all processes are indeed closed. You should open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus S acid. Once it's open, look for any Discord processes that are running and end each task. This helps ensure Discord is completely shut down before we proceed. Next up, let's clear Discord's cache. This can often solve various loading problems. To do this, press the Win key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type in %appdata% and hit Enter. Once you're in the app data directory, locate the Discord folder. Inside, you'll find folders named Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. You need to delete the contents of these folders. This won't delete any important Discord data, just temporary files. After clearing the cache, relaunch Discord and see if this resolves the issue. If you're still facing problems, disabling hardware acceleration within Discord might help. If you can access Discord settings, go to User Settings, then Appearance, and toggle hardware acceleration off. After that, restart Discord. If, however, you can't access the settings because Discord doesn't load, you can manually adjust this setting by navigating to the file located at %appdata% discord/settings. JSON. Open this file with a text editor and change hardware acceleration. True to false. Now, let's check your internet connection. Sometimes connectivity issues can prevent Discord from loading properly. Test your connection by opening a web page. If the web page doesn't load, there might be an issue with your internet, in which case the modem or router might need resetting, or it might be best to contact your internet service provider. Additionally, ensure no VPNs or proxy servers are running, as these can interfere with Discord's connection. Finally, make sure Discord itself is up to date. If the app opens, check for updates. Should it remain troublesome, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Discord. Head to Settings, then Apps, and choose to uninstall Discord. Don't forget to delete any leftover folders in both +appdata% and SAS local app data%. After that, download the latest version from Discord's official website and install it anew. And there you have it, a set of solutions to help get Discord back up and running smoothly. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful content. Thank you for watching and have a great day.